Hello again, a new day, a new project. You know, I've been waiting a while until I finally got this double display setup. Not because another display was difficult to get. No, not at all. I was lazy. What I found very interesting, that I can use that very nice with my video editor. And what I was trying and looking for so long, you know, is to have a separate display for monitoring the things, you know, for preview in fact, and to keep this one for the main editing page. That will provide me a whole lot of space and more tracks to work with them easier. A little bit of ergonomy doesn't hurt. And so far, you know, now I'm capturing both displays. Here is number 2 and here is number 1. All right, let me see display settings, Windows 11. So that's number 2 there. Identify, okay, number 1, number 2. Everything is cool, nothing special here. Both of them are Dell, by the way. This one is the main display, okay. And now let me show you what I was looking for. Here I have my editor 4.8 with one of my video projects days before. All you have to do is open preferences, and here under preview device you have to connect, or in fact you have to choose the second display. In my case is this one, number 2, this guy on the left, for preview. Okay, 1, 2. All right, apply, and then simply in this preview window up here we have video preview on external monitor. Just push this and there we are. This is so beautiful. And of course now I can have a lot of space, a lot of extra space for you know, getting my tracks one after another, nice, and it's very fast, it's very intuitive. All right, here we go. I'm really glad about this. So yeah, keep your main monitor number 1 and have your second one. Simply choose here preview device, okay, display adapter. If you are not doing that, you're gonna have something like this, and that's not working, of course. Preferences, preview, and there we are. Nice, isn't that? Something else, if you want to have this, place it in between 2 displays, simply just get the edges of the image and there we are. And something like this. But that's only if you want to have a whole panorama of a video or something. Anyway, I didn't find this very useful. I can even take it a little bit closer, like that. I didn't find it very useful. But you know something, maybe I can use that for having some stereo movies running. Why not? Okay, back here and monitor there. Well, I hope it's useful. Like always, please like, please subscribe, and of course, be creative and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.